So on May 20th, 2016, I was dressed in all black, a cap and a gown, waiting for my name to be called. I would soon become a master graduate at one of the top elite universities in the world, where a king, a president, and many high-level decision makers have crossed this same stage. I almost didn't let this moment happen. You see, when I arrived on campus in this city, I noticed something. In every room that I enter, my blackness was the elephant. I was convinced that I do not belong here. And the more I believed it, the more I shrank. I self-sabotaged myself intentionally because I felt unworthy. I didn't add my voice in important discussions. I avoided networking with my peers and colleagues. I literally self-sabotaged myself intentionally because I felt unworthy. And so midway through grad school journey, my grad school experience, I ended up working an important political job that would impact millions of Americans. And I had two choices. Either I shrink or I show up and take up space. So I showed up and took up space as an unapologetic black woman. And so on May 20th, 2016, at the age of 23 years old, I, Jael, crossed the stage with a master's degree in communications at Georgetown University, with my family cheering me on louder than you can ever imagine, waving the Haitian flag. And I didn't think about the significance of this moment until a few months later. My school issued an apology to the public for selling 272 slaves to keep their doors open in the early 1800s. You know what else happened in the early 1800s? Across the ocean, this tiny island that was once a colony is now the first independent black nation because of a successful slave rebellion, Haiti, Haiti. I am a descendant of proud, unapologetic black people who showed up and took up space. I belong in every room I enter. And so do you. Thank you.